Welcome, 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 Reliv friends, family, neighbors. Hey, today, and smoothie people, just any smoothie people out there, new customers, people that have been using Reliv products. I'm a distributor, David Mahle, since 1995. I've been drinking Reliv shakes for 29 years. And I get asked all the time. It's a large part of what I do every day is have conversations with people about how to mix their shake. So I get asked all the time, how do you make a shake? So what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to make my smoothie. I haven't had it today. And so I'm going to let you just watch. This is me making a smoothie. And then when I'm done, if that's all you want to see, that's great. When I'm done, I'm going to kind of highlight a little bit about what I did and what I can recommend. And that's it. So good morning. It starts with coffee. All right, here I go. Coffee and music. What's up, George? What you doing, boy? Hey, buddy. Come on, boy. Won't like that banana stuff. There it is. Boom. Done, son. Take a chance on me. There it is. I'm losing my parts. Cheers. That's a wrap. All right. So, all I did, you guys, grab the blender, put it in the sink, 10 ounces of milk, handful of ice. If you noticed, I save my bananas when they get brown. I break them in half, put them in the microwave for a minute, and I squish it into the smoothie. And then I added blueberries today, right? I do different kinds of recipes, which I'm going to do a whole playlist on each product, and I'm going to do a playlist on recipes. But today, all I did was milk, banana, blueberries, and ice. Did I miss something? I think that was it. And man, oh man. Oh, and now, Fiber Store, I added Artifact and Provantage. I want to mention, and then I slam them all back in my counter. This whole thing doesn't take any time. But look, if you're new or if you've been around Reliv for a while, if all you ever take in your life is Reliv Now, that's core nutrition, plant-based, non-GMO, protein core nutrition. You're ahead of the game. Hey, we're listening to ABBA. How about that? Take a chance on me. Take a chance on me. So now with soy, and they make now with whey, but this is today I did now with soy. I added Fiber Store, but look, if you're new, I like to call it scaling, meaning you scale it. New customers start with now, do that for a month. Next order, add Fiber Store. You gotta have core nutrition, A through Z, vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids, beta carotene, protein. Then you add Fiber Store, which is, and I'm trying not to do a product pitch here, but those two are so absolutely necessary in your diet for blood health, heart health, gut health. 10 grams of soluble, insoluble fiber, digestive enzymes, and probiotics, all in one product. So what you saw me do, milk, ice, banana, blueberries, scoop of now, scoop of Fiber Store. I added a scoop of Artifact just for my, helps support healthy joint function. That's Artifact. But again, that's later, y'all. These are add-on products, and I'm a distributor. I've been doing this 30 years. It's what I do. I don't eat breakfast for the most part. Oh, and I added Provantage, which is, it's a pre-workout, post-workout, but it's basically it's in our sports nutrition line. So these were add-ons for me in my smoothie today. But look, for you, for starters, and if all you ever did was drink now and 8 to 10 ounces of juice, milk, or water, you're ahead of the game. If you want the gut health benefit, heart health, probiotics, add Fiber Store. Joint health, add Artifact. Sports nutrition, add Provantage. How much does it cost? Well, that's relative. And we can talk about that. But for new people, I talked to a buddy of mine today. I said, dude, look, get a can of that, start taking it 30 days. On your next order, get that and add that. And then we'll talk about your budget. We can talk about discounts. We can talk about scaling up your program. You can do sports nutrition. You can add Energize, Hydrator. So there's all that to do. But the fundamental of making a smoothie, frankly, a lot of my customers just use a shaker cup. Look, they put 8 ounces of water, a scoop of now, shake it, drink it, done. Ahead of the game. Add Fiber Store, way ahead of the game. The rest of it is about budget, priority of product, and goals, all right? So that's all I got today. Is I just wanted to make a smoothie in front of you. And I'm going to do that again. I got some really good stuff I like to do using different stuff. Fruits, vegetables, different types of mixers, juice, milk, or water. There's so many different types of milks and juices that you can do. And fruits and vegetables, all right? So that's my smoothie for the day. Ask me questions, and let's talk about priority of product for you. and your budget. All right, boys and girls, have a good Relive day. See you later. Nobody knows it. Everybody should.